Welcome to the MRO Middle East show and our programme sponsored by Joramco. It may be smaller this year, but it's certainly busy. And the exhibitors from North America, Asia and Europe are seeing a steady stream of visitors coming onto their stands. Along with companies from the Middle East, exhibitors came from around the world, including the USA, Canada, Malaysia, Germany, Austria, Switzerland, Turkey, and a debut appearance by IAI from Israel, whose business of converting passenger aircraft to cargo is currently in great demand. The themes of sustainability, digitalization and workforce were addressed by a range of expert speakers at the conference, along with the recurring theme of cooperation in the MRO industry. This was echoed by the exhibitors, as even between competitors, the independent companies look for ways to survive and thrive in the face of competition from the OEMs, as well as the effects of the pandemic. Boeing may not have had a stand, but their presence was felt. Not just in ubiquitous lanyards, but in the understanding signed at the event with Turkish Technic and Joramco. Joramco also had a signing with VD Gulf, creating a framework agreement to work together. TATV's MRO editor Chuck Grieve spoke to Fraser Curry, Chief Commercial Officer at Joramco, about the new deal.
I think the industry will sit up and take note of that, and that cooperation really is born out of what we see the future looking like.
Helmut Neuper, Senior VP Operations for Sanad Aerotech, believes this is the way forward for the sector.
I think resilience is one of the themes in our industry. Most of us have seen more than one cycle, and we've been through similar crises. And one of the emerging themes has always been cooperation across. And this is a good example. The panel we're going to have later on has representatives from independent MRO, airline MRO, airframe MRO. We're independent as well, but have an affiliation with the airlines. And we've always learned to cooperate, especially through tough times. And I'm very confident that some of that will carry over to the new normal, and we will see more of that collaboration in the future.
Sustainability was another theme. Liebherr's Joel Cadeau explained that Liebherr is not just implementing green plans, but insisting on them down the line.
Each company, being an OEM or being an MRO, we have to decide what sustainability will mean for us. Ourselves in Liebherr, we are considering that sustainability means eco-responsibility, but it means also performance. We have to link the eco-responsibility with performance in our business. This will guarantee the sustainability. When we say performance, it's a business performance, it's a profitability, and also the satisfaction of our customers. So to be concrete, to be clear, it means that everything that we will apply in eco-responsibility will be linked to performance.
Spanish company Buildair has a growing number of clients in the region. Their inflatable structures offer a flexible and eco-friendly solution to temporary needs, as CEO Jordi Piretas explained.
Inflatable structures are flexible, can be set up really fast. You don't need many permits to set it up. So in a matter of weeks or months, you can have a new infrastructure which can cover that need you have. And if that need changes and you need to relocate it to another place, the cost of relocating the structure, it's really reduced. So you can adapt the needs you have with the product. Nowadays we are building 3 infrastructures for the helicopter company. This is a company of Saudi Arabia who are implementing the helicopter services, VIP helicopter services around the country. So they brought 3 hangars. They will set up those hangars in 3 different locations, Amala, Neom, and the Red Sea development. And with that, they will provide those services.
Despite being in a region renowned for face-to-face relationship building, the Middle East has adjusted to the digitalization of the workplace and virtual meetings. Zuhair Matar, Key Account Director of L3 Harris, thinks this will continue, but strongly believes that there is still a role for regional representation.
Regional offices will always be needed, in my opinion, but keep in mind within the regions there are small other countries as well. You still need to travel, but one thing you will see, in my opinion, is the fact that seeing those individuals within the region will be far more efficient. By all means, at some stage you will need to go and sit down, meet and greet, but funny enough, with technology, I feel that meeting someone virtually is one thing, and that enhances the relationship to a certain extent, and then it will be reinforced once you guys meet face to face. So I don't believe regional offices will disappear. I still believe in regionalization, and what will happen with the new era, in my opinion, is that the business way of doing things will dramatically change, and time can only tell.
After 2 busy days here at the MRO Middle East show, Dubai has demonstrated once again that it's almost business as usual. We've seen here customers from the airlines, OEMs, MROs, lessors and sellers gather together to network, discuss and look at new ways of getting through the situation as it stands. It's really proved that people in the industry want to get together and discuss things face to face. And now, I think we can all just look forward to a great Dubai Air Show in November.